Hello guys, good evening. I've actually been trying to recover uh, our last Excel file which we worked on, and I haven't been able to locate it anywhere in my PC, which implies I didn't save it at all. Yes, so the only thing I'm able to get is this version. Which is the first version of our document, our file. Yes, so the aim of this video is file recovery on Microsoft Office, be it Words, Excel, PowerPoint, or Publisher. You can use any of this method to recover your unsaved file. The first thing to do is to open your software, be it Excel for instance or PowerPoint, and when you select a file here, you can find recent work that you've done in Excel. Yes, you can find recent work that you've done in Excel, and most of what you find here are, however, files that you have at least saved at one point during the working. So you can use this to recover. Go to recent file to recover your document. And if in case you already open an Excel file, still you can be able to locate document recovery. You can be able to locate those unsaved document here, previous version. You can be able to locate them here. Notice right below you have which file do I want to save. If you double click on that, Excel will give you more information on a recovery. When a Microsoft app closes unexpectedly before you save your most recent changes, the next time you open the app, document recovery automatically opens to help you get your file back. Exactly. So that is what document recovery does. However, as I earlier mentioned, it only gives you file or documents which you have saved at least at one point during your working. Great. Secondly, the second method, we will use it to recover files which have not been saved at all during your time of working in Excel, Word, or PowerPoint. Good. How can we do this? By going to File. When you select File, you take Option. Under Option, you select Save. In Save, the first thing I would like us to look at is Save Auto Recovery Information. Here the time is automatically set at 10 minutes, but I reduce mine to 1 minute, which means after 1 minute Microsoft Excel will automatically save the file I'm working on in the system in such a way that even if I don't save at all, I can be able to recover my file. Secondly, this is the link in which the link of the location in which Microsoft Excel will store my file. So I'll go ahead and copy the link. You can close this. After, you go to my computer, this PC, and you under this PC you paste your copied link, and this link will open you to the space where Excel saves those files which you've not worked on. And if I look right here, I will see Excel School Supply Expenses version 1. If I double click on that, If I double click on that, I receive an error message. No error were detected. Great. I just simply take OK, and here I have the version of my work which I have been looking for, which is a much more recent version compared to the initial version Microsoft Excel was giving me. Great. So we have in our previous work we calculated the total expenses, overall overall expenses, average expenses, and we equally went ahead to show how to use the if function. So this is the final version of our work right here, which we've been able to recover. So you can go ahead and use save as to be able to save our Excel file. Good. To be able to save our Excel file. Perfect. Notice, however, the extension is Excel binary workbook, which is kind of wayward from the usual Excel extension. Yes, simply select Excel workbook, the extension Excel workbook. You change the extension from the Excel binary to Excel workbook, and you gain the expenses. We already have this. Final. So we have Excel school supply expenses final version, and we save. That way we can be able to go to our series folder, and right here we have our Excel file which we can open at any time. Thank you.